Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making paper airplanes. Look through the airplane design pamphlet and pick a plane that you would like to make. Fold your paper according to the directions. When your plane is folded, use paint pens to decorate it. Assemble the airplane launcher by putting its feet on as shown. You can use tape to tape the top of your airplane together. You can also add a paper clip to the tip of it if it needs more weight. Test out your airplane by loading it into the plane launcher.